Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen how we can create the symbol in the ES6. That too when we are using the symbol, the same symbol of debug and symbol of debug, we are getting two different unique symbols so that we can use it in the objects. Now you can also, there will be also a scenario that you can generate the same symbol instead of unique symbol. Also there is also a provision to generate the shared symbols. Shared symbols is nothing but you can create the symbol which you have created at the first time. Also you will be able to create a symbol. So how to create that one we will see. Now here let's see, I have symbol 1 is equal to, now instead of using symbol of age like this, so we need to use symbol dot for. Okay, so we are creating a symbol for age. So this one is the, what we can say, identifier or debugging thing. So we have created a string, that one. So now I will be creating, let symbol 2 is equal to symbol dot for of age. Again I am creating another one. Let's check whether these both are equal or not. Previously when we use symbol, so those both are not equal. So now let's see whether these both are equal or not. If I try to run, now it returned true. So that means the both symbol dot for of age and symbol dot for of age, so using this for, so it generated the same unique identifier. Now what I will try to do is, so now I will create a object with let person is equal to, I have my name. Okay, so I have my name. So here what I will try to do is, I will create a function. Okay, so that make age or anything. So I will try to add a symbol with this function. In this function I will try to add the symbol to the person object. So what I will try to do, so here I will try to create a symbol. Okay, symbol is equal to, again I will use the symbol dot for of age. So see here I am again creating the symbol in this function. So that means I am using the same syntax here. So that means I will be getting for this symbol variable also same unique identifier which is having in the symbol 1 and symbol 2 also. So now what I will try to do, I will try to insert that into the person. Okay, symbol is equal to, I will give some age. Okay, now what I will try to do, I will try to call this method. Okay, now I will try to print the person object. If I try to print the person object, so if you try to get the output, you will be getting only object name as Leela, but we are not able to get the symbol. We know already in the previous video you have seen that symbols will not be displayed directly. So if you want to access the symbol, you can use directly symbol, but here the variable is inside the method, so we cannot access the symbol variable. So how we can access the symbol thing, we can directly give the symbol 1. Why? Because symbol 1, symbol 2 and the symbol are both are having the same unique identifier. Why? Because so we have created using the syntax symbol dot for. So if we create symbol dot for with the age thing, so if you have again create with the symbol dot for with the age, you will be having the same unique identifier. So here also if you check the function make age, in that one also we have created symbol dot for of age. So that means that symbol variable also will be having the same unique identifier. So I can directly use this, either this variable or this variable directly. So if I try to use this variable and if I try to print here, I am getting 30. So what I have done here, so I can use it direct here, symbol 2 also. Okay, I am getting this one. Okay, so in this way we can share the unique identifier between the objects or anywhere you can use. For example, you can see that I am creating symbol for the age. If you have age here 27 or something like this, so how would be this one? So now I will try to console the person of age. Okay, person dot age or person of age, because this one is a string, right? So we can use. So now if I try to print, so the symbol age and the property age are both are different. So you will be created with a unique identifier. So the property, you cannot assume that symbol property also will be the same like age only. You can think something like age only you will be thinking, but it will not create the symbol for if you use symbol dot for of age, it will not create the property with the string directly age. It will be having a long unique identifier. So big string something like that will be created as a property. Okay, these are the shared symbols. So how you can share the symbol between the code. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comment below this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.